Alright YouTube, this video is pretty much going to be how do you make cayenne pepper tincture? Like I said, I get a lot of my herbal secrets or herbal advice from Kareem off of Cycles4Life, so y'all just watch with me for a little bit while y'all watch me, you know, make this cayenne pepper tincture. Oh, I got it. Hey YouTube, this video is going to be real simple, not even going to go long. I'm just going to make my cayenne pepper tincture. I had already made a smaller bottle, but when I talked to Kareem, he said I didn't do it right because he said that, you know, after you let it sit for 2 weeks, that is only supposed to be liquid form. Mine's turned into a paste. So only thing you're going to need is, you know, whatever brand of cayenne pepper you use. I pretty much ordered this big old bag from off of Amazon so that I can continuously make as much as I need to. But to be honest with you, one full mason jar, this thing should last you pretty much months. Because I pretty much made a really small jar, and I know that thing is going to last for months. So this probably right here lasts for years. But I don't think I'm going to be able to fully fill this thing up because the liquor that I'm going to use, I don't think that this is going to be enough. You don't have to necessarily be Ciroc, but from looking at Cycles4Life video, you just need an alcohol base that's 80 proof. And this thing right here, let me see, this thing right here is 80 proof. So since I don't really know how much that I'm gonna have to work with, I'm just gonna pour alcohol in first and then match it. It's almost about half and half. Okay. So I'm going to get, now we're just going to pour half of that. Mix the same distribution. So this alcohol came in right here. So now I need to pour about this much of cayenne pepper. It's supposed to be a half and half mixture. This stuff is potent too. That should be about right. Oh, this stuff is strong. Oh my goodness. Now from watching, oh, this stuff is worse than onions. I'm about to, oh my goodness, this stuff is strong. Alright, so from watching Kareem's video, the whole main benefits of making this is the fact that, oh my goodness, this stuff is strong. I'm sorry, y'all. The whole purpose of making this is to, like, it's good for blood flow. You know, if somebody's having a heart attack, it can stop a heart attack on point. So once you get everything in there, pretty much just shake it up. So shake, 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 shake. And you're just gonna shake, 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 shake. This stuff is potent. So you're just gonna pretty much shake it for probably about 60 seconds. Alright, that's close to 60 seconds. Man, I got to blow my nose. This stuff is strong. Man. Oh my Lord. Y'all be careful because this stuff is truly strong. So it's going to look like this once you finish it. Now, the reason why you mix, you know, your 80 proof alcohol with it, it's something about 80 proof alcohol that pulls all the beneficial ingredients that much more out of cayenne pepper. Now, from what I was looking at in his videos, there's a whole lot of other cayenne, not cayenne, but tinctures you can make, and you always have to add alcohol. And for some reason, when, you know, the tincture sits for over weeks, you know, it pulls all the things out to where when you take, you know, the herb, you get full benefit of it. Like I said, the ones that I can remember off the top of my head is just the fact that, like I said, if somebody's having a heart attack, you know, you can put a couple drops in their mouth, and for the most part, you know, that'll probably increase the chances of, you know, stopping that heart attack on point. Or if you at risk for strokes, or you somebody that smoke a lot, you know, this can help with blood flow and help to try to, you know, open up those veins. Even help with respiratory issues if you somebody that maybe got asthma, sinus problems. Keep this bad boy on hand. Like I said, I made my little smaller one, and I still take the paste. I just put the paste on my tongue, let it sit, and then swallow it. Give it to my kids too. So now that we got it made, we pretty much just gonna let this sit for about, you know, about 2 weeks. There's another way you can speed up the process. He said that you, like if you get a crock pot and you put like a towel in there, and of course you fill it up with water, and you leave it on low for about 3 days, and you sit this in there and you leave it on low, you know, in your crock pot for about 3 days, and that can speed it up versus just letting it sit for 2 weeks. So yes, that's how you make a cayenne pepper tincture. And if you're going to do the 2-week method, you know, every day walk past it and just shake it, because you know a lot of the cayenne pepper will try to seep to the bottom, so you want to shake it up and make sure, you know, that you're getting, you know, the full, you know, what you're going to get. So, alright guys, sounds to us. I just thought I'd share that with you guys. So, man, my face is burning. I rubbed it and it is so burning. I'm going to rinse it off. So, y'all have a lovely night. Deuces.